If you're seeing the Slack error missing underscore scope, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly and correctly. This error usually means your Slack app is trying to perform an action without having the right permission attached to it. The good news is that this is a common setup issue, and once you add the missing scope and reinstall the app, the problem is usually resolved. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. This is the Slack app management page where you control your app's permissions and settings. Once you're there, select the app that's giving you the missing underscore scope error. Make sure you're choosing the correct Workspace app, especially if you manage more than one Slack integration. After you open the app, look for the OAuth and Permissions section in the left-hand menu. Click on that. This is where Slack lists the scopes your app currently has, and it's also where you can add new permissions when your app needs access to more features. Now scroll down to the scopes area and specifically look under bot token scopes. This section controls what your bot is allowed to do inside Slack. If your app is failing because of missing permissions, this is the part you need to update. Next, click Add an OAuth scope. Slack will show you a list of available permissions you can add. The scope you choose depends on the action your app is trying to perform. For example, if your app needs to send messages into a channel, you'll want to add chat::write. If your app needs to read channel information, then you may need channels::read. The key here is to match the scope to the exact action your app is attempting. If you're not sure which scope is missing, check the error message closely or review the API endpoint you're using. Slack's missing underscore scope error usually points to a permission that the app doesn't currently have. So take a moment here and make sure you add the correct one before moving on. Once you've added the required scope, the change is not fully active yet. This is the part many people miss. You need to click Install App or Reinstall to Workspace. Reinstalling is important because Slack has to refresh the app's permissions before the new scope can actually be used. If you skip this step, the error may continue even though the scope was added. After reinstalling, go back and try your request again. If you're using a bot, API request, workflow, or integration test, run it one more time and see if the error is gone. In most cases, once the right scope is added and the app is reinstalled, the missing underscore scope issue is fixed immediately. If you still see the error, double check that the scope was added under the correct token type and confirm that you installed the updated version of the app into the right workspace. Sometimes the problem is just that the app was updated in Slack's dashboard, but the workspace is still using the older permission set. So to recap, open the Slack app settings, go to OAuth and Permissions, add the correct bot token scope like chat::write or channels::read, reinstall the app, and then send the request again. That's the fastest way to fix the Slack error missing underscore scope. If this walkthrough helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.